Chewing gum. Now, I'm not a user of chewing gum and bubble gum, etc. So I had to go to the store and get some chewing gum and chewed up big wads of it, pressed it into this piece of carpet, and just left it for a month so it'd get nice and sticky and hard. I want it to be more representative of what you. There are several ways of taking care of chewing gum. The options are, a pressure washer. Yeah, we can do that on a sidewalk. That's a little hard to do on a piece of carpet, although I continue to see carpet extractors 3,000 psi. It's a little hard to believe. You can use some solvents and a bone scraper. You can use an aerosol that freezes it and then chip it out and so forth. Those are other options. They're not as effective or as good though. Here we're applying our Pro-Solv gel, spreading it out with the carpet shark, punching holes through the chewing gum to work that Pro-Solv gel into the chewing gum. Then we can use the serrated edges on our carpet shark. You notice it just simply starts rolling off because it's starting to dissolve it. More releases the adhesion of the chewing gum to the carpet than anything else. We just roll that all off until it's all gone. Apply our power gel. Be sure to shake that up well when you use it. Work that in again with the carpet shark. Thoroughly extract. Dry blot as always. Get it as dry as you can. Again, if you have a suspicion that there may be a trace of residue or anything like that left, then it would be a good idea to apply the stain blotter.